Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 28th November 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, this is a game of a maze. You repeatedly forget the Father. Let your intellects have faith and you will not become trapped in this game. Question. While seeing the time of settlement, what is the duty of you children? Answer. Your duty is to keep very busy in this study and not become involved in other matters. The Father will seat you in His eyes, make you into a garland around His neck, and take you back with Him. Everyone has to settle their accounts and return home. The Father has come to take everyone back home with Him. Song is: The resident of the faraway land has come to the foreign land. Essence for Dharana. First is: stay on the pilgrimage of remembrance and celebrate the true Deepavali every day. You have to accumulate an income for 21 births in your new account. Second is: keep the secret of the drama in your intellect and don't become involved in anything other than this study. Settle all your karmic accounts. Blessing for today. May you be full of the treasure of happiness and finish your stock of anything wasteful with your stage of spirituality. Details are: with your stage of spirituality, finish your stock of anything wasteful. Otherwise, by talking about the weaknesses of one another, you will continue to spread the germs of that illness into the atmosphere. Then, by doing that, the atmosphere will not become powerful. Many souls will come to you with many types of feelings, but let them go away with only something filled with good wishes. This will only be possible when you have accumulated a stock of happy things. If you have anything wasteful for someone in your heart, then where there are those matters, the Father will not be there, but there will be sin. Slogan is: when you switch your awareness on, you cannot have an off mood. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Increase the practice of the bodiless stage, Ashriri and Videhi. To the extent that you are busy, it is just as essential for you to practice being bodiless every now and then. The tiredness that you have from doing service or any upheaval with one another will not then take place. If you practice becoming detached in a second, then, when anything happens, because of that practice you will be able to go beyond whatever has happened in a second. As soon as you think about it, it will happen. You will not have to battle.